Hi, and welcome. Today, I'll walk you through how to deploy a virtual machine across multiple locations using Emma's no-code intuitive platform. Step 1. Selecting the project. Navigate to All Projects and select Production or your desired project. Click on Virtual Machines, Add Virtual Machine. Here, you'll see multiple options for customizing your deployment. Step 2. Filtering your deployment. You can filter your virtual machine deployment based on location cloud providers' operating systems. For example, if I want to deploy my virtual machine in North America, I select North America and click Apply. On the right-hand side, I can see available configurations ranked by cost. This helps me choose the best fit based on budget and performance needs. Step 3. Choosing cloud providers and configurations. If I want to deploy a multi-cloud network, I can select Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP, as my cloud providers. After selecting my locations, I can review cost-effective options. Next, I choose the operating system and additional configurations such as CPU type and cores, memory allocation storage type, SSD or SSD+, and volume size. Step 4. Network and security setup. After finalizing the virtual machine configuration, I proceed to network settings. I select the multi-cloud network option and define security settings by adding a security key. Step 5. Deploying the virtual machines. Once everything is configured, I can deploy a virtual machine to multiple locations by following the same steps. In this example, I have deployed one virtual machine in Virginia and another in Oregon, both with the same configuration. Finally, I click Deploy, and as you can see, my action has been initiated. The virtual machines are now ready. With Emma's no-code deployment, managing multi-cloud virtual machines has never been easier.